Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and going to YouTube. This avoids the app's background restrictions. Once there, tap the AA menu in the address bar and request the desktop site that exposes browser audio controls. Next, find and play the music video you want. Make sure playback is actually running before you leave the tab. Do not close the tab. Keep it in the foreground for the next step. This method works because Safari's desktop audio continues when the screen locks. Once the video is playing, leave Safari by swiping to the home screen. You don't need to stop the video. Next, pull down or up the control center and use the audio widget to resume playback if it paused. That hands audio focus to the system. Then lock your iPhone. The audio should keep playing with the screen off. Make sure you started from the desktop site because the mobile YouTube page usually stops when the screen locks. To finish, confirm volume and headphone settings, then enjoy music with the screen off. If playback stops, reopen Safari and press play on the desktop YouTube tab, then use Control Center to resume. This resets audio focus. Make sure iOS and Safari are current and that low power mode isn't restricting background activity. If problems continue, restart the phone or clear Safari cache. That often fixes stuck media controls and restores reliable background playback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.